So I recently decided to dye my hair again, and if you guys follow my channel at all, you know that I always use natural hair dyes like henna and indigo. Even though it's been about 2 years since the last time I dyed my hair, I just really got the urge to go a little bit darker than my natural color. So I naturally have very like medium, almost, like a reddish toned brown hair, and I wanted to go a little bit darker, more in the dark brown range. I didn't want to go all the way to black because I have tried black henna indigo mixtures in the past and it's just a little bit too intense for what I was looking for. So I picked up this light mountain dark brown and I thought it would work really well. I was a little bit scared that it was going to go a little bit too dark, but it ended up turning out totally fine and just the color I was looking for, honestly. So I thought I would show you guys how I dye my hair, how I did it the last time around. I don't add anything extra to this dark brown henna. I don't add any like lemon juice or anything because lemon juice is supposed to make it a little bit more red toned, and I wanted to keep it more in the brown family, not so red. And, it's not exactly going to turn out as a cool brown, but I didn't want it to go more red. So I didn't add any lemon juice. In the end, I also didn't cover it because covering your hair with like saran wrap, some kind of plastic wrap, and then like putting a hat on top, that makes the heat stay in, and the heat also contributes to that red color. So I didn't do that this time either. If you have watched the videos where I did my hair with traditional henna trying to get a more red color, I do both of those things. When I want it to be like a more red color, I will add lemon juice into the batter mixture, the dye mixture, and then I will cover my hair with saran wrap and put a hat on top. But since I'm not trying to get that reddish tone this time around with the dark brown color, I didn't do either of those things. And if you are interested, I will leave links down below to my other henna hair videos. I have several of them here on this channel, and if you're looking to go more red than like coolish brown, I would definitely recommend checking out some of those videos. So yeah, I just applied it all over my hair. I really focused more on the roots. It took an entire bag or box of this dye to do my hair, and I have, almost, kind of medium longish hair, and I really could have done well with a little bit extra dye. That one little box of it was kind of pushing it for my hair, so I could have put a lot more product into the length of my hair. I feel like I focused a lot on the roots and I didn't quite get it as full coverage on the length of my hair as I would have liked it to have been, but I don't want to reapply for fear that it's going to go too dark. I don't want to go too dark, so I'm just going to leave it as is. When I looked at myself in the mirror afterwards, I felt like, you could kind of see like missing sections. Like it felt like I still had some regular brown in there. But once I looked at it out in the natural daylight outside, I think it blends really nicely. Using henna and indigo, using these more natural dyes, it really gives a very natural appearance to the hair and totally blends super well. Even as it ages, it fades away super naturally, and I just love using these natural dyes on my hair and not trying to go, super dark with them. It's just a really gradual and beautiful process for changing up your hair color if you want to try something a little bit different. So yeah, I'm super happy with the results that I got this time around. If you want to check out those other videos, I will leave them down below. I'm really happy with how it turned out, and we'll see how or if it fades over time, and I'll keep you guys updated on that in maybe 6 months or a year or so. But I hope you enjoyed this video, found it a little bit helpful. Check out the other videos if you want more in-depth information about using henna and indigo, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!